Hey, my good peeps. Today I'll be sharing a quick, simple, delicious recipe for deep fried thin pork chops. Sit right there. Don't you go anywhere. You will need the following: pork chops, thin, that is, cleaned and patted dry to your pleasing, vegetable oil, lemon pepper, and seasoned salt, as well as chicken breader. Okay, so let's jump right in and get going here. Preheat, medium high to high. By the way, this requires 3/4 to 1 inch of oil because you gotta have enough for the chops to actually float, since we are deep frying the chops. While the oil is heating, go ahead and season. I season both sides with a little bit of seasoned salt and a little bit of lemon pepper. So I don't want to overdo it and make it too salty. Okay. Now you're gonna go ahead and dip your chops in the chicken breader, coating both sides evenly and shaking off any excess. And it's up to you. You can use a bag or a bowl. It really doesn't matter. After you've tested the oil, when I say tested the oil, I mean you've taken a little bit of your bread or your flour and dropped it down in the oil to see if it's hot enough to cook it. Go ahead and put you 2 or 3 chops in, depending on the size of your pot. See how good they're cooking? Yes, I've got bread and hot sauce waiting. Look at that. Look at how golden they are. Look at those golden pork chops. Make sure you get the thin ones. Now, I can't promise you this recipe is right for thick chops. I mostly like to deal with thin chops. I let my husband deal with the thick chops, y'all. Look at that. Golden thin pork chops, y'all. I promise you, you're going to enjoy them. And cooking time is no more than about 7 minutes. No turning needed. I am out of here, good peeps. And don't forget, today is a good day to have a good day. See you on the next upload.